dyan ng kaibigan natin na hindi nag-attend ng membership meeting because masama ang tulog nila dahil hindi nakahabol sa cut-off. Ma'am, kasama po ba yun sa mga colorum agents or licensed agents na hindi nakapag-renew for December 31, 2009?
Ito lang din yung tanong ko. Yung tanong mo, sasagutin ko ng tanong. If we pass government examination, are we not eager to get a license?
Supposedly, yes.
Are we?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Another thing is this. Saan mo nalaman na pumasa ka? Newspaper. Diba? And the first thing that we have to do, being a pastor of government exam, is to visit the agency where we took the exam and if possible get a license. Because that should be your attitude, being a pastor of government examination. Let me answer now your question. Sabi mo, kolorong ba sila? Or they will just renew their license. Let me go straight forward. They're kolorong. Sabi mo nga, hindi nakakuha ng lisensya. Because passing the exam is not automatically gives you the license. Kagaya din natin, anong sinasabi sa Section 20? Upon application and payment of the required fees. Okay, and compliance of all the requirements, and that is the time that we can be registered under the RESA. Same as under the old law. Upon application, of course, and payment of the required fees, you will be given a license by the DTI. Nakakuha ka ng lisensya? Wala. So therefore, non-license. Are you kolorong? Yes.
Ma'am, follow-up.
Can they renew? Ano yung renew? Wala kang license.
Ma'am, follow-up lang.
Can they apply under the RESA? Depende yun sa RESA board.
Okay.
Depende sa RESA board because for sure, DTI will tell you we don't have the authority already. Because if you look at Section 44, the repealing clause provides, repealed na. Ang basis, again, they note, the basis of DTI in granting us the license is Ministry Order Number 39, series of 1985. And it's actually repealed. Okay? Depende yun. Paano ngayon yung depende? Okay? Bala na. Bala na yung RESA board. Hindi ko pa alam yung mentality nila ngayon. Kasi hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino yung mga apuan. Just pray that the members or the nominees of PARED will be there. Okay? We'll be there and we can also convince our colleagues later on in that area or in that angle. Okay? One last question. Kasi masisira yung gawin ninyo. Hindi ko puro Christmas party.
Ma'am, clarification lang po dun sa answer ninyo. Kasi po yung kiniklaim ng member na